Calculating of superheat. It will be calculated in evaporator coil. Superheat is difference of leaving temperature and saturation temperature. How to calculate saturation temperature. Example. For R134 a gas, to calculate saturation temperature for 18 pounds per square inch pressure, from PT chart, we are getting saturation temperature 20 F degrees. And leaving temperature, we do measure from end of the pipeline. Let's consider we measured 28 F degrees. If leaving temp is 28 F degrees and the saturation temp is 20 F degrees, then the superheat is difference of these two temperatures, that is 8 F degrees. Note, the superheat rating would be 8 to 12 F degrees. Calculating of subcooling. It will be calculated in condenser coil. Subcooling is difference of saturation temperature and liquid temperature. How to calculate saturation temperature. Example. For R410 a gas, to calculate saturation temperature for 365 pounds per square inch pressure, from PT chart, we are getting saturation temperature 110 F degrees. If liquid temperature, in condenser outlet pipeline is 28 F degrees and the saturation temperature is 110 F degrees as we calculated from PT chart, then the liquid subcooling is difference of these two temperatures, that is 12 F degrees.